Next up, we're going to take a look at a different type of image conversion. So Pixar's RenderMan and a couple of other renderers need to generate .text files when they render to produce a faster format for rendering. So we're going to look at how we can wrap up the command line script that comes with RenderMan to do that more efficiently. So I've just brought a textures folder onto the desktop here, and you'll see inside we've just got some sort of standard looking textures here. I think these came with the demo in Mari, the demo project in Mari, but obviously this could be any old EXRs or TIFFs or whatever other image format that we need to convert. Cool. So back in our image utils, let's just add another function for this. So we're just going to call this convert to text, and we're going to take in some images. Text. For image in images. Let's make a string. I'm just going to paste in this line. I'll come back to that in a second. Cool, so this little function is we're going to pass it some images, a list of images, and it's going to run through and essentially make a terminal command line script out of this string here that we then pass to os.system. Yeah, like I say, it is basically like you're running the command line version of it. So this long thing here is when you download RenderMan, it comes with this command line called txmake. So we basically just need to pass that in here. You could also set up an alias so you wouldn't have to do this long path, but I was just a bit lazy. And then we append onto the end of this string. It needs to take a dash format, and we're gonna take in. Oh, we don't even need EXR actually. What was I saying? We don't even need that. And then we basically take in the image, and then we're just going to take the TIFF off the end of it and do dot text instead. Cool, so that's the utility, and then up in tools, we'll just make a new file to text.py. There's a typo, we'll fix that later. So we need to import our OS utils, import our image utils, and import this. Oops. We'll do def main. Let's pass it in an image directory. Okay, so here we've written a little function, a little main function that takes in an image directory, and we're actually going to run this on from a terminal and pass in arguments after it. So here we're actually saying if you don't pass in an argument after the command line script, after the command, then tell us, we need to provide a directory and return, so we can't run it essentially. And then if you do provide that, then we can run our get files of type on the given directory, and we're doing TIFFs, but obviously you could set this up to pass in any image type, and then we're just doing our convert to text function, and then this main is being used to actually run it. So to run this, we just need to go to a terminal. We'll go to desktop tutorial tools. Cool. And then if we do Python to text, firstly we've got a typo, so let's fix that up. Run that again. You see here it's saying we need to provide a directory, so let's do that. So we need to do users, desktop, and this textures folder. So let's just load this up. And if we run this now, oops, sorry, that's because we actually didn't need that format pass, so we can just do it. We'll just do it in one line actually. That's just keeping it a bit neater. And this will now start, here we go, start to make our text files out of this. So this is super handy because then a lot of the times when you're writing your images out of Mari or Substance or ZBrush or whatever texture package you're going for, they can often be nested, and then there might be inversions or whatever as well. So this is good just to run through everything and yeah, batch convert.